In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use categories in Microsoft Outlook. Categories are a simple, color-coded way to visually organize your inbox so you can spot what matters at a glance. Whether you're sorting by client, project, urgency, or any theme you choose, categories help you quickly group related emails without moving them into different folders. Let's walk through exactly how to apply them and, when needed, create a new one that fits your workflow. Start in your inbox and select any message you want to label. Right-click that email to open the context menu. From there, move your cursor over the option labeled Categorize. This reveals a list of available categories, each typically paired with a color. If one of these fits your needs, just click it to assign that category to the email immediately. If none of the existing choices work for you, select All Categories from that same Categorize menu. This opens the category management window where you can set things up just the way you want. Click the New button, then enter a clear, concise name that you'll recognize later. Next, choose a color that stands out and makes sense for the label you're creating. When you're happy with the name and color, click OK to confirm. That's it. The new category is created and ready to use. As soon as you apply a category, you'll notice its color appear next to the email. Depending on your Outlook layout, this may show up as a colored square, a tag, or a small color indicator by the message. This visual cue makes it easy to scan your inbox and quickly find related items. If you're consistent with your naming and color choices, your inbox will start